Want spa-level relaxation at home without a permanent tub? Today I'm reviewing the foldable portable bathtub for adults, a spacious, insulated plunge tub that's perfect for hot soaks, cold therapy, and everyday self-care. 2-in-1 hot-cold plunge, use it for soothing hot baths or cold therapy sessions, great for muscle recovery or stress relief. 185-gallon large capacity, big enough for most adults to soak comfortably without feeling cramped. 6-layer insulated design, keeps water hot, or cold, longer, so you can enjoy extended soaking sessions. Foldable space saving, collapses flat for easy storage, perfect for apartments, small bathrooms, balconies, or even outdoor use. Sturdy construction, made with durable materials and reinforced edges for stability and long-lasting use. Spa-like relaxation at home, great way to unwind without a costly installation. Versatile hot-cold use, perfect for relaxation, muscle relief, or even post-workout recovery. Space-saving design, folds flat when not in use, ideal for small living spaces. Assembly required, you'll need to set it up and fill it yourself, not as quick as a fixed tub. Water usage heating time, filling a large 185-gallon tub and heating the water can take extra time and resources. I used this after a long day, and it felt like a mini spa session at home. The insulation holds heat well, and it's surprisingly comfortable even for taller adults. Cleaning and folding it up afterward was simple too. If you want home spa vibes, muscle relief, and an easy-to-store bathtub, this foldable portable bathtub for adults is a fantastic choice. Tap the link in the description below to check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment how you'd use yours. Hot soak after work, cold plunge for recovery, or both.